Today I got something special for you.
No, I give up. No, I give up. Can't deny it. I give up. I give up.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Desi Ventures. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, I'm Desi. I do adventure, travel, hiking, lifestyle, beauty, fitness. And today we together, we're gonna be doing an at-home, no equipment workout. Alright, it's gonna be fine, you're gonna be fine, I was fine. We're gonna be fine. This workout will require no equipment. You can do it in your house, you can do it outside, you can do it at a park. You don't need anything but your tennis shoes. You're gonna need tennis shoes, okay? You're gonna need some running shoes. You could do this barefoot, it's gonna hurt. Wear some tennis shoes, alright? Today's workout is going to be the Murph Workout. If you don't know what the Murph Workout is, it is a hero workout dedicated to Navy Lieutenant Michael Murphy. It consists of a 1 mile run, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, and 300 squats, followed by another 1 mile run. If you're familiar with CrossFit or CrossFit type workouts, the Murph should sound familiar. If you haven't heard of it before, don't worry. We're gonna be doing a modified version. The first time I ever completed a full Murph, it took me 2 hours, okay? That's a really long time to be working out. I think it was exactly 1 hour and 47 minutes. I don't know why I know this specific time, probably because it took me so damn long to complete it. And no, I did not wear a weighted vest. Typically when you do the Murph, the women wear a 14-pound weighted vest and the men wear a 20-pound weighted vest. I did this just with my weight, alright? Just my weight. I probably got 14 pounds sitting somewhere that's tying me down right now. So, because I don't have a pull-up bar near me and I know my fitness journey right now, I'm kind of starting over. I'll be modifying this workout today. So, we will be completing a 1 mile run, 60 sit-ups, 120 push-ups, and 180 squats, followed by a half-mile run, back to your car, back to your house, back to safety. Alright, to get some water, because we're going to need some water during this. So let's go ahead and get started. We're running, we're having a good time, and we're running. We're having a good time. Should I sing it? Yeah, I should. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're running, I'm running. Pick up your feet. Right now we're running. We're running. Pick up your feet. I'm sweating just sitting here. It's weird. Don't know why I'm doing that. Alright, we're gonna stop singing now. Alright, so my mile time was 11:44, which is great. I'm progressing. My last mile time was 11:52. So we've shaved off a couple of seconds, and that's something to be proud of. So if you're tracking your mileage and you're tracking your fitness, definitely write this down, put it in your phone so you can track your own progression. And I burned 126 calories. Now we're gonna go ahead and start our movements of our modified Murph. I found this nice bench, this scenic view. I live by a river. I was like, why not just do it while looking at the river so it's less miserable? Alright, so I will be breaking down the movements into 6 sets. I will be doing 10 sit-ups, 20 push-ups, and 30 squats per set, and I'll be doing 6 sets. Alright, let's get started with the first set.
So bad, my go real. I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, burn out flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass, give raw chills. 10 different looks, and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Lead in the car, that's me on some wheels.
Can you make it jump? Can you make it jump? Ladies, this is what I need you to do for me right now.
I got pants in the coop, touch I'll shoot. I got pants in the coop, bustin' at the roof. I got pants in the coop. Bodies, bodies.
Now, I'm already sweating. It's hot outside, okay? It's like 80 degrees right now. It's the middle of the sun. It's the middle of the day. Don't know why I decided to do this. I'm already regretting it. I did the 1 mile, which felt great, but now I'm just sitting baking in the sun. So I'm constantly pouring sweat during this workout. Just to remember to stay consistent. Make sure you're going all the way down with your push-ups. I can already see I need improvement in this area. I'm doing my push-ups on a bench, so I'm doing more of an incline push-up because I didn't want to get all the way down on the ground for my push-up, even though I was doing it on this anyway. I was doing incline push-ups for this workout, which is fine. Do whatever push-up that you like, do whatever sit-up that you like, do a squat that you like. Now the 4th set is where I started to feel the fatigue, like in my body and in my mental mostly. I really didn't feel like I wanted to keep going, but I knew I could keep going, so just make sure you push through it. Now, I actually did an extra set for you guys, so I completed around 7 sets, but I'm saying to do 6. I forgot to start my watch on the first set. You guys leave a comment down below. If you forget to start your watch, do you have to do an extra set? So we finished the workout. This took me 25 minutes and 51 seconds. So make sure you write that down so you can record it and then track your progress with these movements too. I also burned 230 calories just with these movements. Again, I burned 126 calories just on the run separately. So we're going to be adding this together at the end. Now it's time for the finale. We're going to run half a mile. I know you're tired. It's going to be okay. I'm here with you. Look at me. Look at me. Alright, so we have to complete our half a mile. So let's get serious, okay? Look at me dragging my feet. Do not stop. You're going to want to stop. Your body's going to tell you to stop. You just did 180 squats. You don't want to run right now, but I'm telling you to finish this half a mile. You got it. Don't worry about it. You look crazy. I look crazy. Keep going. My favorite quote this week is, if you're tired, do it tired. It's going to be okay. Push yourself. You got this. You already did a whole mile at the beginning of this workout. You can do half a mile at the end. You got it. We finished the half a mile. You can breathe now. The workout is over. I finished my half a mile in 7 minutes and 6 seconds. All right? That is my time, okay? We'll leave it at that. That's my time for my half mile at the end of that workout. I burned 66 calories just on that half a mile. So in total for this entire workout, it took me 45 minutes, and I burned 422 calories in total, which isn't too bad, to be honest. So be proud of that. Let me know in the comments below how many calories you burned and how long it took you to do this workout, and if you'll be doing this workout again to track your progress. So after this workout, I was pretty sore. I'm still sore. I only did this workout about 3 days ago. So I'm taking about 2 days off. I'm actually going surfing tomorrow, which is one of the only reasons I didn't work out today, because I'm doing a 2-hour surf lesson. Yes, I surf. Your girl surfs. No, I'm not good. I mean, I'm good at everything, but I'm not that great. If you enjoyed this workout and this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you enjoyed the workout. Tell me your time. Tell me the calories that you burned. Tell me your modifications, and if you substituted any of the movements. I'd love to hear that, because I like substituting different movements, especially if it doesn't require equipment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out these bloopers of me messing around in my house because I couldn't get the lighting right, and like I couldn't do that, and like, hey everyone, welcome back. Let me close the we're gonna start over, okay? We're just gonna start over, and then no one's gonna know that we had to do this like 3 times, okay? We're just gonna start over, so just stay right there, okay? Okay, bye. Someone's yelling outside. Sounds interesting. If you're familiar with CrossFit or CrossFit type